I salute every member of this committee for the confidence reposed in you by the party. You have been carefully selected to pilot the affairs that will lead us to an all-inclusive and legally sound and politically credible national convention.
It has not been easy, but in every time in a man's life, God produced one man to save a nation. God has always, in 2015, when this party was going down, God brought Barrister Wike to help the party in 2015. Again, in 2026, upon all the whole division agreement and faction and faction, God has also brought the same man to put the party together. And that is why we are all here today. So thank God for his life. We'll keep praying for him. I keep praying for other leaders. I use the opportunity to say PDP is a big family. It's nobody's private entity. The way you go, just like a bigger church. When you go out, if you go there, you didn't say any miracle, you can come back. PDP is open. Those who have left out of anger. But I want to assure you that PDP are going to come back in 2027. We are going to get a lot of positions. Our senators, our governors, House of Reps, the rest assured that if you come to PDP to buy a form, nobody will disqualify you because PDP...
I stand before you deeply honored, but yet fully aware that this moment calls not for comfort, but for courage, not for routine, but for resolve. Therefore, I accept this responsibility with humility, but also with a firm determination to determine and take steps that will steer our great party through this defining chapter in its history.